Huawei 20E. So we are not going to exaggerating because literally this device is amazing. Huawei tiny chip. They are a software which called the Magic UI, which was effectively works. Huawei separated its wings again and ready to fly without any restrictions. Eventually, at the end of the last year, decided on the latter, Huawei issued an almost touching statement that talked about all the pressure they faced recently and how they are finally publicly declared that they are in fact selling their sub-brands and whole using their finishes with a hope. Huawei are now separate companies, right? They have been apart for a full year. It has 6.7 screen and the Snapdragon 778 chipset. It's just 7.8 millimeter thick and manages to pack in 4300 milliamp hour battery. Okay, what's about the Huawei 6.57 inches old screen Snapdragon 778 G 7.8 millimeters battery. Finish aside from every single angle. It's identically button layout, identically speakers, and positioning, identically camera placement. The Huawei is running the company on its own completely Harmony OS. So the difference is also a zoom button. While checking the charging bricks, one is apparently using subcharge technology. The hardware differences is that the Huawei has a slightly battery main camera sensor and yet the Huawei costs 400 and 499 euros. Huawei here is that the breaching into just budget. And as well, everybody knows that the Huawei never scared to invest their funds and their technology and they check each product which comes from any country. The flagship phone's new Huawei and the Milo wants to be the CEO out. Of course, it makes a good first impression. Like before their range price, it is pleasantly impressed by the have to subcharge and general feel of hiring devices. Before Huawei was streamingly the smartphone market, this is a tech company who was not afraid to invest literally millions into a everyday a year making sure that every generation of the phone introduced by Huawei had at least two or three features while significantly ahead of others. Of course, they had the budget to make these features when tested properly and were reliable. Huawei pushed the active entire industry forward, but literally the minute this brand comes into effectively very curious to see that comes next through think once again Huawei come back. And we think and the next move will be go quite indicative to how this is going to the system every hardware details of the device you are on right way as well as you all your past browsing history will be available on the on flow. These are the things that you are don't want to lose and you know yourself right. Well, this is how much information a website which is very trusted giving a. If we go to the Huawei specification, Huawei you can enjoy 20E, which coming specification according to the trusted website is with 6.3 by 720 by 600 pixels MP108p and amazing, which is popped the font because it is Hello 35p. Move over next to the 500 mAh LiPo confirmed, which talks about its network of course high technology with GSM by SPA LTE. If we go to the further more details, 2G, GSM 900, 1800 and 1900 and more comfort is having dual SIM 1 and SIM 2. Huawei of course is always amazing. Next is 3G brand HSDPA 8 by 1900 and 2100 which always hit. Further is comes by 4G brand all and speed is 5.706 Mbps. Let's go to the launching date. If we're talking about the launching date, everyone knows that the Huawei always changes its generation and it always again a new and a fresh start of Huawei. Announced 2021 October as coming soon with new features and new updates. Let's jump on discuss about its body and the eye catching for all the new hit comings which is 159 by 74 and the weight is 185 grams in ounce is 6.53. If we are confirmed, the SIM is comes with hybrid SIM and its nano SIM, dual SIM standby. We are sure that the Huawei can are going to stop now. And because it comes with display which type IPS LCD and size 6.3 inches, and the resolution is 702 by 1600 pixels. PPI density. Whole discussion is about the phone. Don't large and save the money. Goes high, goes on the platform, which is OS Harmony and 2.0 by Charge and EMUI 10.5 services chipset and the Meditech MT6765 Hello PP35 model number chipset GPU CPU and which is never forgot about the memory and the memory card slot is micro SD and internal memory is 64 GB by 4 GB internal RAM and 128 GB by GB by RAM for 8 GB. As all humans are focused on selfies and photos and the videos, so the main camera dual with LED flash HDR panorama and the video quality is 1080 30 fps which gives beautiful results and of course last but not the least it is going to huge change for Huawei and the new generation. If we come to the loudspeaker, it is 3.0 jack and of course it's a stereo speaker and more details about calming, volume, Bluetooth, GPS, BTS, and the tested well, it's coming coloring black, green, and violet, and model MLTAL10. So be ready for the Huawei 20E. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment below for the further more details.